Hi, hello students. Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, do it fast. Subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you are seeing all of my videos. So today we are going to see the book back exercises and solutions for NCERT grade 7 honeycomb book unit 7 poem 7 Dad and the Cat and the Tree, written by Kit Wright. Working with the poem, which is on page number 110. Question number 1. Why was Dad sure he wouldn't fall? Dad was sure that he wouldn't fall because he says that he is a good climber. Question number 2. Which phrase in the poem expresses Dad's self-confidence best? Right, just leave it to me. Easy as winking to a climber like me. Child's play, this is. Question number 3. Describe plan A and its consequences. According to plan A, Dad would reach the treetop using a ladder, but it was a failure as Dad slipped and landed in the flower bed. Question number 4. Plan C was a success. What went wrong then? Even though Plan C was a success, it did not work out as planned. The moment the father reached the treetop, the cat jumped and touched the ground and was again out of father's reach. Question number 5. The cat was very happy to be on the ground. Pick out the phrase used to express this idea. Pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking. Question number 6. Describe the cat and Dad's situation in the beginning and at the end of the poem. In the beginning, the cat was stuck on the tree and father was confident to drive it away. But by the end of the poem, the cat was free, but the father got stuck in the tree. Question number 7. Why and when did father say each of the following? Fall. When mother warned him against falling, father with a great surprise said, "Fall." Never mind. Having fallen to the ground, the father did not give up and brushing the dirt from his hair and clothes said, "Never mind." Funny joke. When mother again warned him against falling while he was executing plan B, he found his wife's warning to be funny joke. Rubbish. After the second fall, when his wife intervened saying that he might break his neck, he again dismissed her concern by saying rubbish. Question number 8. Do you find the poem humorous? Read aloud lines which make you laugh. Of course, the poem is full of humor. The narrator's father falling over and over again was quite humorous. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. Bye students. Keep watching my channel and get benefited. Stay safe, be healthy, eat healthy. Take care. Bye.